Samsung is set to reveal at least 3 new Galaxy watches at its upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event in July 2024. 2 of these watches are anticipated to be the Galaxy Watch 7 and the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra. Recently, the specifications for the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra have been leaked. According to an exclusive report from Android Headlines, the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra will feature a new pentacore Exynos chip built with 3M technology. Both watches will have 32 gigs of internal storage, confirming earlier reports. Additionally, they are expected to include dual-frequency L1 plus L5 GPS for better accuracy in activities like cycling, running, and other outdoor workouts. The Galaxy Watch 7 will come in 40mm and 44mm sizes, while the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra will only be available in a 47mm size. The Galaxy Watch 7's OLED screen will have a peak brightness of 2000 nits, similar to the Galaxy Watch 6. The Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra is expected to have an OLED screen with a peak brightness of 3000 nits. The Galaxy Watch 7 will come in 2 colors, including green, and will feature an armor aluminum case. It has an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, 5 ATM pressure resistance, and meets MIL STD 810A standards for durability. The 40mm version will have a 300 mAh battery, while the 44mm version will have a 425 mAh battery. The Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra will come in 3 colors, including titanium gray, and will have a grade 4 titanium case. It will feature an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance and 10 ATM pressure resistance. The watch will have 3 physical buttons: back, home, and quit button. It is expected to be powered by a 590 mAh battery. The report, along with the included images, reveals that the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra will be available in both Bluetooth-only and Bluetooth plus LTE variants. It's been known for some time that Samsung will introduce the Galaxy Watch 7 series at its Unpacked event in July. While details about the new smartwatches have been scarce, more information is emerging as the launch date draws near. Besides just hearing about them, this is the first time we're actually seeing something. Renders of the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra have leaked online, providing our first glimpse at the significant design upgrade Samsung is bringing to its next smartwatch lineup. The leaked renders reveal that Samsung has attempted to strike a balance between a squarish design and the circular design synonymous with its Galaxy Watch devices. The outcome is a design that closely resembles traditional Panerai watches. Beyond that, there are some other noteworthy observations. A 3rd physical button appears in the middle, flanked by the 2 usual physical buttons. This addition might introduce new functionality, potentially related to Galaxy AI. Larger speaker grills are also visible, along with a sleeker integration of the watch bands with the case. The display remains circular, reportedly measuring 1.5 inches, with the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra's dimensions at 47.4 x 16.4 millimeters. The popular rotating bezel has been retained and is now adorned with 5-minute interval markings, further enhancing its resemblance to a traditional watch. Earlier reports indicate that the Galaxy Watch 7 series will feature a new chipset, charged 50% faster than its predecessor, and potentially introduce blood sugar monitoring. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.